What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I will be showing you guys how I achieved these pink French tip nails. So to start off, I will be going in with a round bit to clean up my cuticle area. This will actually prevent the tips from lifting up. Now going in with my clippers, I will be lifting up any dead cuticle that is left behind. I will then now be using a buffer to buff out my nails to remove all the oils off of my nail bed. For the dehydrator, we will be using the Apres pH bonder and applying this onto every nail. I will now be going in with my Apres primer to prime all my nails. For today's set, we will be using the Apres nail extensions in the shape medium round. You have to make sure that the tips fit your nail from sidewall to sidewall. To prep the tips, I will be going in with the Gelix prep to save me some time so I don't need to file each tip individually. Using the Apres Extend Gel, I will be layering one thin layer on each nail and curing for 30 seconds. Using the same gel, I will be applying a thin layer and then scraping the excess off. I will then be pressing down on the nail tip and then curing for 30 seconds under my portable UV light. I will be doing this to all of my nails and then curing for 1 full minute to make sure these bad boys are on. Using my file, I will be shaping my nails very lightly and gentle. The good thing is that these tips come shaped and you don't need to do much work. Now to prep my nails so I can paint them, I will be buffing them out to remove all the shine off of the tips. This actually helps the nail polish stay on longer and have a better grip. Going in with my round bit, I will be cleaning up the cuticle area one more time. Before you paint your nails, don't forget to use a base coat. I will be curing this for 30 seconds. Today's set, I will be going in with a nude polish first. Don't forget to cure for 30 seconds. For the French tip, I will be going in with a pink polish. Using a liner brush, I will carefully try to recreate a French tip. I will be going in with a red polish to recreate the marble effect. Also, don't forget to cure for 30 seconds. Using a white polish liner, I will go ahead and outline the French tip. Finish off, I will be using my clear top coat and applying a thin layer to each nail. Lastly, I will cure my nails for 30 seconds and use alcohol wipes to remove all the residue left behind. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you can learn how to do your nails at home, and these are so perfect for Valentine's, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you on my next video.